Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've had this box for a few days now and I've been aching to open it up, and I just haven't had time to make the video and I didn't want to peek inside prematurely, so I have no idea what's in it. But this is the monthly Knife Club and this is the Onyx level subscription, and today I'm going to use my newly acquired Recon 1 to open this guy up, and we'll see what's in the box. So it feels a bit small to be a Kaiser, the box does. I've been kind of like a kid before Christmas, shaking it and trying to figure out what might be in it. I don't think it's cold steel. I don't think it's real steel. I don't think it's Kaiser, but we'll see. We'll see what's in here. All right, so we got some packing peanuts. Definitely going to be a folder with this kind of size. Here we got our monthly Knife Club, and then these are all the different plans that they have. You can get the Advanced, the Premium, Ultimate, where you get a bunch of stuff, and they give you the range of values on each one. And you know, it's nice because a lot of places will just give you the MSRP. Monthly Knife Club gives you a range based on what you can find on the internet. Sometimes you can find a little bit cheaper, but yeah, we're all the way down here at the bottom. Ooh, it's a Browse Blades Icon Frame Lock. So the cost to me is $119 a month plus shipping, which ends up being around 124 bucks a month. And so the value that they have on this is anywhere between $149 and $173.43. So there you go. And there's your coupon if you want 10% off. I'm not going to use that code because I already have the subscription. Okay, so let's see what we got in here. Let's see what it looks like. This is, I believe this is my first knife from Browse. So that's pretty awesome. And I know they've come in a couple battle boxes, or at least one battle box, but I didn't get that one. So I know they make nice stuff. But anyways, you got a nice little case here. And there you go, you got the logo, Quality Innovative Custom Knives, and yeah, that's pretty nice. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so we got a little Allen wrench here, and it tells you the model name, the serial number. So apparently this is a limited edition, or at least they only made 500 of them. Handle material is aluminum, you got liner stainless steel, and then blade is D2. Okay, so D2 is a good steel. You know, a lot of the Chinese companies are actually starting to go to D2 for their budget blades, which is cool. I mean, I like D2 steel. I've got several D2 knives, and they hold an edge pretty well. But there you go. There is the knife of the month for the Onyx subscription. So I'm colorblind, but that looks purpley to me. I got a purpley hue to it. Could be wrong. If I'm wrong, you know, please comment. It might be blue. I don't know. I am seriously colorblind though. And there's the, you know, you got the 417 out of 500. So that's pretty cool. You do have pocket clip. It's not deep carry. I mean, that much is going to be sticking above the pocket there. It does not appear to be reversible. So you're stuck with right hand tip up only, which I think a lot of people like. I'm lefty, but a lot of times I carry a knife righty, so I just adapt. You know, I write right-handed. Or I can write right-handed. I can cut with scissors right-handed. I mean, I've kind of trained myself in the ways of the righties, just to make my life easier. But you know, it's light. It's you do have a little lanyard hole here. They've cut out the handle scales there. We do have a flipper. There are no thumb studs, so you're going to be deploying this guy with the flipper, and you do have some jimping up there to make that easier. So let's go ahead and see what the action's like. Ooh, nice. Yeah, that flips right out there. Now I don't know, that kind of looks like there's some wear on that screw, like when they screwed that in it chipped some of the paint off, but it's actually little pieces of the steel that, you know, it's like they stamped it or something. Oh well, but that's still a really nice looking knife. It's a little skinny. You know, typically I like a little bit of a fuller handle for grip, but it's not bad. You do have that kind of dark wash blade on there, kind of a stone washy looking finish. It is a feels like a hollow grind there, but real nice looking blade. It feels sharp. It feels sharp. And I'll put the specs in the description once I look this guy up. I don't know. I mean, it looks about like a 3.5 inch blade, but I don't know, because I really haven't done any research on this knife. Just opened it up. You do have jimping up here where your thumb goes, so that's nice. It does feel pretty aggressive, so that actually feels like functional jimping. And then you got a finger choil here, and that makes a nice little guard, so you're not gonna, you know, go up on the blade and cut yourself if you're stabbing into something. All right, let's do a cut test. Let's do a cut test. See how she fares here. Start out with the regular printer paper. Oh my God, yeah. Oh, that feels so nice going through there. That is super sharp. Yeah, that's really nicely honed. Man. But, you know, at this price point, you would expect nothing less. But it's nice to see that they finished that blade off real nice. Let's move to the magazine paper here, and we'll see how she fares on that. So here we go. Get us some magazine paper. Oh yeah, real nice. Yeah, I mean it's effortless. It's like, you know, there's no effort at all getting that to cut. So yeah, that's really nice. No problems with that. Okay, we got our paracord test coming up next. So let's try the pull through first. That takes some effort, but that worked all right. It takes more effort than I expected. Let's try that one more time. Yeah, it takes some effort, but she cuts. Okay, so let's try the slice. I'm guessing the slice is going to go really nicely, because we got a lot of blade length there to work with. So this should slice through like nothing. Yeah, that's nice. Let's do one more. Yeah, I mean, it takes a little bit more effort than I expected, but overall, not bad at all. So that's the knife of the month from the monthly Knife Club for Onyx, and this is January of 2019. So let me know what you guys think. I guess, you know, now that I've been holding it a little while, you know, there is a nice design feature on the handle scale here, and that should provide a little bit of extra grip to you, but it's not a lot. It is kind of a slick design. This is more of like in my opinion, a gentleman's folder, but I think it's got a nice look to it. It's definitely different than everything else that I have, and I'm so happy it's not another Kaiser, even though I keep buying Kaisers. And Kaisers make good knives, but I'm glad something different. I mean, this is my first of this brand, so that's cool. And I really like that it is number 417 of 500. pretty cool. So let me know what you guys think about this thing, and I'll be doing some more unboxings here real soon. So let's do the action one more time. There we go. It took a little effort there that time. Got to get a good amount of force on that. It's got a fairly strong detent that you got to work against. Oh, I guess we should have checked the centering too. Centering looks to be perfect on that. Yep, perfect centering. You know, fit and finish on it is, you know, except for those little edges on the inside of those weird screws, which that's another thing. I like when people use standard Torx bits for the pivot screws, because those often do need some adjustment over time, especially, you know, the more you flip it out, they tend to work loose a little bit. So I don't really have a bit that looks like that, so I'm not super happy with that, but otherwise it's pretty cool. That is a nice strong detent. Oh, and then lock up. Got a frame lock here. It's a thin frame lock, but it does have nice early lock up there, and it's nice and strong. I mean, that's not going anywhere. So, yeah, definitely a strong detent on that. I mean, you gotta apply some pressure on that flipper to get it to come out. But overall, oh, you know, I guess we did get this. That's probably for the pivot screw. No, those are Torx bits. Those are Torx bits. Those are for the I don't know. All those screws are the same. Maybe it isn't Torx. Having trouble. No, that's Torx. So I don't know. I don't know why we get that. We do get the certificate of authenticity, which is nice. So cool. That's it. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.